Thinking about the perfect hosting panel for your web projects in 2026? Today, we're doing a quick, comprehensive comparison of the top hosting control panels to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive into 3 of the most popular options: cpanel, plesk, and direct admin. First up, cpanel. Known for its user-friendly interface and robust features, cpanel is a favorite among hosting providers. It offers seamless management for websites, emails, and databases. Perfect for beginners and experts alike, but note, it's a paid license, which can add to your costs. Next, plesk. It's versatile and supports both Linux and Windows servers. Plesk shines with its modern UI and strong security features. It also offers great automation and developer tools, making it ideal for both small projects and enterprise setups. Finally, direct admin. If you're looking for a lightweight, cost-effective solution, direct admin is a solid choice. It's simple, fast, and easy to use, with fewer bells and whistles but reliable performance. Quick summary. cpanel, user-friendly, feature-rich, but licensing costs extra. Plesk, flexible, modern, supports multiple OS, great security. Direct admin, lightweight, affordable, straightforward. So, which hosting panel is best for your projects in 2026? It depends on your needs, budget, technical skills, and project scope. Do your research, try demos, and choose what fits you best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons. Thanks for watching.